Sunrise creeping through the windshield dust. Four friends packed and we're running on trust. Maps unfolded, crumpled on the dash. Got $100 and a reason to crash. Not the car, no the party, the scene in the night. Trading in our worries for the highway light. Left the deadlines, left the screens behind. Got a destination but we don't mind if we miss it, cause the journey's the key. Rolling down the window out and totally free. Radio screaming a forgotten old tune. Gonna make these moments last past the moon. We got tank tops, cheap shades and a cooler of ice. Yeah, we're living like we'll only do it twice. Once right now and one more time tomorrow. Gonna burn this memory, still back the joy we had to borrow. We talk like it was only yesterday. The scent of morning breeze, it led the way out in the cold.
All goods na, boss.
Where the whispers play.
Best lang.
Overstay. The heat, the flush, the rush through the
Wala pang isang oras na over agad. Nasa Laguna pa lang yung mga yan. Nasa Quezon pa lang, lakas mag-iya ng stopover. Final stopover mo na to, boy.
Gutom na sila.
Nag-aalala sa adobo, no?
Baba na ako naman. Ako naman,
Ayun na, Erko.
Hi, ma'am. Merry Christmas, sir.
Boy, stopover.
Paulan na.
Apat. Taki na ready, oh. Pwede na magkaan, Jepar. Pangalawang food trip. Sarap na. Sarap na sarap kaya. Dobo ni Dave. Sarap. Ya, gumugos sa sabaw ya. Si Bunch. 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 Ihiling pa kaya ng stopover si Par. Par, stopover pa tayo ulit. Busog na. Gago, CR stopover na yan mamaya, pre. Ang limay, ah. Idlip si Par. Tamang walk trip na. Parang ano, ah, haggard ka na agad, ah. Mga bata na pamili. Ano sa Renz? Boy, di ka nakasya dyan, boy, ha? Kailangan lang yun. Boss driver. Yun lang.
Nakakapanibago. Nakakaba.
What a view! Tapos driver mo, kabado, di marunong. Kumusta experience sa likod, boy?
Masarap, mainit.
Mainit. Kamusta mag-motor boy? Pawis ka na. Ayoko na.
Maps unfolded, crumbled on the dash. Got $100 and a reason to crash. Not the car, no the party, the scene in the night. Trading in our worries for the highway light. Left the deadlines, left the screens behind. Got a destination, but we don't mind if we miss it, 'cause the journey's the key. Rolling down the window out and totally free. Radio screaming a forgotten old tune. Gonna make these moments last past the moon. We got tank tops, cheap shades, and a cooler of ice. Yeah, we're living like we'll only do it twice. Once right now, and one more time tomorrow. Gonna burn this memory still back to joy we had to borrow.
Oh, lahat na.
Trip forever, windows down, screaming out loud. Chasing the summer, reckless, beautiful. Yeah, we're living like there's no tomorrow. Baby, that's the plan. Baby, that's the plan. Every sunset's a gold medal for the last man standing. Jump in, buckle up, hit the gas, let the freedom run. Freedom run. We are young, we are here, and we're not done. Found it.
Ay mo. Boy, day ano na? Saan tayo pupunta?
Day 1.
Day 1 pa lang. Dago, day 2.
Ay, day two.
Tangina, pangit pag vlog niya to.
Day 2.
Ah.
Pakitaan namin kayo ng mga solid na lugar dito sa video.
Oo.
For example, naligo ako dyan dati. Malinis yan, putik lang yan. Departa mo. Siyempre, putik yan mo. Yung binagyo kasi medyo... Tignan mo, kapasok ako. Kapakit ako.
Putang ina, pag nalaglag ka talaga dyan, sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Ganda lang oh. Uy, talaga naman.
Oo, oh, tapasiklab si Par.
Ayun, napicturean mo. Oh.
Sunrise creeping through the windshield dust. 4 friends packed and we're running on trust. Maps unfolded, crumpled on the dash. Got $100 and a reason to crash. Not the car, no the party, the scene in the night. Trading in our worries for the highway light. Left the deadlines,
So ayaw niya magpakita.
got a destination, but we don't
Wait.
miss it, 'cause the journey's the key. Rolling down the window out and totally free. Radio screaming a forgotten old tune. Gonna make these moments last past the moon. We got tank tops, cheap shades, and a cooler of ice. Yeah, we're living like we'll only do it twice. Once right now, and one more time tomorrow. Gonna burn this memory still back to joy we had to borrow. Road trip forever, windows down, screaming out loud. Chasing the summer, a reckless, beautiful cloud. Yeah, we're living like there's no tomorrow. Baby, that's the plan. Baby, that's the plan. Every sunset's a gold medal for the last man standing. Jump in, buckle up, hit the gas, let the freedom run. We are
Level 4 kami, boss.
we are here, and
Oh!
dun, dun, dun.
Ano yan? Level 3?
Greasy downer with the neon sign blue shit.
Oh, gago.
We hold the ones we keep secret, the brave and the bold. Stop by the ocean strip down to our jeans. Jumped into the cold wild summer scenes. No rest,
Ano may anghang?
just yes on my tongue. Every lyric we write.
Ay, gusto.
Gonna be somebody. Four of us only. A secret we share. A moment so perfect. Floating right there. Radio screaming.
Anong mayon?
No tune. Gonna make these moments
Ayun.
last past the moon. We got tank tops, cheap shades, and a cooler of ice. Yeah, we're living like we'll only do it twice. Once right now, and one more time tomorrow. Gonna burn this memory still back to joy we had to borrow.
Ano ko na clown?
Road trip
Paano smile? Tingin.
windows down, screaming out loud. Chasing the
Cloud chase. So ngayon guys, makikita nyo naman yung may edit na lang yun eh. So, lagyan mo na ng onte, kalahati. Para di tayo mapahiya sa mga basher, boy.
sa seaside.
Bato.
Lagay lang dito para magka-design, ha?
Kakabait namin kapal lang uso ko.
Beautiful cloud. Yeah, we're living like there's no tomorrow. Baby, that's the plan. Baby, that's the plan. Every sunset's a gold medal for the
Kitang-kita
last
mo yun dyan,
man
Faye, ah.
standing. Jump in, buckle up, hit the gas, let the freedom run. Let the freedom run. We are young, we are here, and we're not done. Yo, check the clock. Time is a myth. We ain't running from problems. We running with a kiss to the fire, to the freedom, the feeling of release. Every stoplight we hit is a moment of peace. Before the engine roars again, we're in the fast lane, zero brakes. Got the memory bank full of all the good mistakes. Sleep when we're
Teamwork.
25, but right now we thrive on the high of the moment. Keep the dream alive. Pitching cheap tents under electric stars, trading stories about the future and fixing busted guitars. Yeah, we got no schedule, no deadlines to meet. Just the sound of the ties and the rhythm of the street. Every single second is a flash in the pan, so we're grabbing it all like only young
Nadula
friends
si Faye.
can.
Ako. Yamang.
Chasing the summer, reckless, beautiful cloud. Yeah, we're living like there's no tomorrow. Baby, that's the plan. Baby, that's the plan. Every sunset's a gold medal for the last man standing. Standing. Jump in, buckle up, hit the gas, let the freedom run. Freedom run. We are young, we are here, and we're not done, done, done.
Parang ano,
Malengis mo, malengis siya. 3 Ah, City sa Siruma. Little Batanes. Yung tawagin.
Yun ba talaga yun? Sa room mo.
Alam mo, mamaya papakita natin.
Hindi mo gano'n kayo lang.
Ayun. Pabakal po. Toasted choco. Bang ina celebrity. Naka-essential.
Kumpira lang ang kasya dyan.
Kumpira lang.
Kapag process ka po. Tira dito. Hindi ka daw. Parang di na hinawa, hindi ko na ano ako, tinatagalog ako ah.
Safety. Wow. Si Mayora. Oo, eh.
Mamen. Ako mamen lang.
Racing lights in my head tonight. Shadows screaming, but I feel polite. Words get stuck like they're on rewind. The storm inside, but it's all confined. I punch the air, I kick the wall. Try to break through, but I don't feel at all. Feel like your pulse, I'm wired and numb. Screaming silence, but it won't come.
Stuck, walang signal. Tangin mo na contact.
Papaya Tagal pa sa Bicol.
One eternity later.
Eyes in the sky.
Yun na yun yung kanta natin niya.
Iba na?
2025 na eh.
Kasi yung libre, no?
Oo.
Ayaw mo yung kay Eljon, libre yun ah.
Kaya na pala si Aljor ah.
Nilalagay ka kinalagay, hindi yun yung nilalagay namin.
Oo nga. Di ba? Ikaw yung ano namin, background.
I don't know my face. Every smile feels out of place. Hands on fire, but I don't know why. Laughing at a joke I can't identify. I punch the air, I kick the wall. Try to break through, but I don't feel at all. Electric pulse, I'm wired and numb. Screaming silence, but it won't come. Static heart, beating out of time. Crashing waves, but I can't define all these parts. Running blind through the neon night. Can't name it, can't claim it. Lost in the sound, I can't tame it. Falling fast, I chase the spark, but it fades. Leaves me in the dark.
So guys, dito kami sa Siruma. Kasama namin ang PAM.
Oo,
Yung driver ng Hilux doon sa kabila. Ito naman, beer lang sila kasi pagod daw sa magkamukha. Ay,
Oh, tapat mo sa pikon. Kunin.
Ano mo gisingin?
oh, kasi walang
Madugang kayo.
Bukas, papakita namin yung kung gaano kaganda yung nasa likod na.
Ayun, pogi po.
Oh, cheers! Pakita mo yung cheers! Isa pa.
Asan?
Pero mo yun ba?
Crashing waves, but I can't define all these sparks, but not ignite. Running blind through the neon night. Running blind through the neon night.
First blood.
Di ba lasing?
First blood.
Akala ko si blood seeker lang yung...
Sabi, kami na. Sa puso, sa puso.
Lasing. Din pa more. Din pa more. Ano ka ngayon, boy?
Mabol pa.
Ala pula.
The first blood si Parko.
Mayabang ka, ha?
Ba't ganito?
Ano masabi mo?
Hindi ko wala si boy.
Ilan eh?
Hindi ko wala si boy. Kaya pala grabe yung utos niya. Kasi nga, amats nga.
Kasi amats na.
Ba? Sige na.
Ay, tama yun. Naiintindihan ko yung ano niya. Tama.
Met you on a Tuesday, wasn't looking for a spark, but you lit up all the corners I kept locked inside the dark. You laughed at my bad jokes like you already knew the rest, and somehow all my chaos settle quiet.
Para na kayong
in
lokal
your
dyan, pre, ah.
chest. I barely know your story, but I swear I know your eyes. And something in the way you talk cuts straight through my disguise. It's stupid how I'm falling, but I'm trying not to break. Still you make it feel like maybe this is one risk I should take.
Kaya magkano bangga? Bangga. Kaya nakarami na. Ayun o, sulit dito. Sulit dito guys oh. Tayo na yun, panis mo na. Ano mo naman oh. Kasi meron pa yan dun, the last resort. Ayun oh, super white sand dun. Para lang
Ay, putang ina, bakasyonista ka dito, par. Island yung background mo, pre.
Okay naman sila. Boss.
Alam yan, wala ka pang face.
Wala na, hindi mo naman, kwenta mo.
Oh, putang ina, iba yan.
Ayun oh, kitang-kita mo naman. Diba? Diyan mo. Pag tumayo, ayan lang pala. Flapper.
Bino ka.
Ako na tayo mamaya. Pagkas namin umahon, babanlaw, akap na kami.
Finish na.
Tapos, iba, destination naman.
Oh, tangina. Travel vlog na yan niya. Magsabi ka.
City lights flashing loud in my face. No rules, no chains, no time to waste. We're on the edge, under the fight, jumping high into the fire tonight. I'm not looking down, not slowing now. It's me against the world tonight. Tipsy trip, but I'm feeling right. Breaking chains, I'm taking flight. It's me against the world tonight.
A few moments later.
Guys, stop cover muna kami kasi medyo pagod na kami sa biyahe.
Oh, stop over.
Kita nyo naman mga dumadaan. Kahit ano ka lang dito.
Lokal?
Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Ha?
Buksan nyo yung juice box nga.
Fuse ba? Asan yun?
Yan sa may katabi ng battery, yung kulay black.
Ito?
Dito banda. Yan, yung pinatungan ng pula.
Ano to?
A few moments later.
Wala. Ayan. Yung...
One eternity later.
Lokal? Parang may chachap-chapin.
Kuha tayo daw ng Sandy Boy. Parang may pang
Ganun sa taas.
Para saan yan? Napulot mo.
Budol fight.
Magbubudol.
Budol's.
May tanong ako sa'yo. Payag ka, bibigyan ka na, magkakaroon ka ng kapangyarihan. Payag ka. Ano nga yun? Makalipad. Payag ka. Sige. Pero, ano kasi yun
May
ups
quest-
and downs eh.
May
Oh.
may consequences.
Pag once nakalipad ka na, hindi ka na marunong bumaba. Puro lipad lang.
Wag na.
Kasi hindi naman naturo ng internet kanya na ano eh, di ba? Oh my God, putang ina boss. Super linis.
Super lines.
Super linis.
Super linis. Kaya pala ang bus ninyo, walang dumi.
Bakit?
Super linis.
Super linis.
Empty apartment, I got the speakers low. Just the streetlights painting lines across the floor. Was doing fine, yeah, I told myself I was grown. But then I scrolled past a picture from a year ago. And the silence in this room, man, it got too loud. Chasing down the ghost in every single crowd. Cause you're the melody I swore I wouldn't play. But the needle always drops back to that day. It's like a habit that I thought I finally broke. Every lie I told myself went up in smoke. I put the lock on the door, but you still walked right in. And now I'm slipping back to where we began. Oh, I'm relapsing hard on the way we used to feel. That dangerous high, the kind that always healed. You were the static in the signal, every kind of sound. The only place my weary head could ever be unwound. And now I'm chasing that rush, the sweet familiar sting. Yeah, I'm just rewind on repeat on everything you bring. I miss the rhythm, I miss the fight, I miss the real. Remember summer nights, windows down, singing loud. Your hands on mine.